So in this video, I'll be showing us how to pipe a neck, the secret behind piping an accurate neck. Alright, so this is our neck. Before you pipe your neck, you make sure that the neck, if your neck is 16, make sure that it's up to 16. If it is 15, you make sure that the neck is 15. If it is 14, you make sure that the neck is 14. Alright, now if you take a look at some piping of neck, you'll notice that the piping is standing as if it's a bishop collar. No, every good piping should relax down. Now, let me use this to explain. First, you cut the bias. The bias. You first of all cut the bias. Then how do you cut our bias? Let's assume that this is our fabric. Take note. Let's assume that this is our fabric. You don't cut your bias in a straight line form. You don't. Neither do you cut it in a horizontal shape. No, you don't do this. What you do is you cut it diagonal. What I'm trying to say, assuming this is your fabric, this is how you cut it in form of bias. Cut it this way. Take note, you cut it this way. So by the time you cut it this way, you notice that automatically the fabric becomes stretchy. Take note. So this is the secret. You don't cut it straight, neither do you cut it this way, but you cut it this way on your fabric. So that is what you do now. And the distance I will be using in this video is the width is 3 inch. Take note. So let's do the cutting now on this fabric. Remember we said this is the shape I'll be cutting. Right. Okay, so before now, this fabric is very thick. It's not stretchy at all. It's not stretchable. In this shape, automatically it becomes stretchy. When you do that, you'll notice that it becomes stretchy. Now, this is what you now do. So you now get the width. Alright, you cut it in this shape as shown. Now, we get your hemi gum. You get your hemi gum. This is what you do. Okay, you get your hemi gum. You'll be using, this is a hemi gum that I'll be using. Alright, now the width of the fabric is 2.5 inch. That is the width. Then the length can be as long as 24 to 25 inch. So now, you get your hemi gum. You place it at the middle as shown. Take note. At the middle, then you now fold. Watch what I'm doing. You fold like as shown, then you press it down. All right, this is what you'll be doing all through. Remember, the hemi gum is at the center. Okay. All right. Now you fold again. Watch, you fold again. Now while folding, take note, as you can see, it should not be equal with the down part. Take note, the folding, you should give a little allowance. The down one, as you can see, the down one, take note, as you can see, the down one should be longer, not equal. It should not be equal. The down one should be long, as you can see. All right, now fold this. Before you do that, you fold the edge, this edge as shown. Press it down. Alright. Then you fold. Like we said, take note. The down one should be wider. I do this down to the end. Now, after this, you now get your fabric that you want to use. Get your the top. All what you need to do, you now go to your sewing machine. Go to your sewing machine and fix this inside. Make sure that this edge is touching the middle part. Take note. Make sure. Alright, so you now do this. You now sew round. You're sewing at the tip. Just at the tip. And while sewing, the reason why we said the down one should be longer, because as you're sewing the tip here, automatically is passing through the down one. So you're sewing this round. So let's do that now. When you get to this part, you fold it inside. Then before you place this, take note, you're folding it in and make sure that both edges are equal. Alright, so we are through. Now top stitch again. Alright, so as you can see, I'm through sewing the neck round. So what to do next, as you can see, is relaxed. So just use your iron to press it down. As you can see, so that is the secret behind a relaxed piping. So this is how you pipe your neck, so it to be relaxed. As you can see, it is relaxed. There are some that it will stand. After piping, it will stand this way. No, it should be relaxed as shown. Alright, so this is how a good piping should look like, relaxed as shown. Alright, so this is how you pipe your neck.